One thing that I've always liked about Rola-Chem is it's fast, quick, and reliable. Hey guys, we're out here this morning to install this Ready-Mount System, which is going to have a chlorine and muriatic acid feeder to it. Pretty simple, 2 screws into the wall. We'll be able to hang this Ready-Mount board. So with that said, let's get to it. You're just going to hang off of these 2 screws, line them up. Got a pH output and ORP. Going to have chlorine to the right, so this is going to come into this. This will be our main power going up to our controller up here. I'm going to go ahead and drop in our sensors. Loosen this guy up, drop him in, hand tighten him back down. I can actually go in here and get my pinch tube in. The barb fitting is my feed side, goes in on this side. So just make sure your tube's pinched in past the door, pushing it in. So you re-place your inspection cover. The left tube's gonna have a weight on it. It's gonna drop into our Rola-Chem bucket. So that's gonna be a feed tube. And our outbound tube's gonna go into our plumbing. We've got our ORP pinch tube all up and running. Basically, we're gonna go ahead and pop this guy in here. It's gonna be our acid side. Pop this guy on continuous. Get our tube in there, put our cover back on. We are good to go. Absolutely just 100% remarkable, well-trusted, beautiful piece of equipment.